Welcome to 12 Months of Tea with Dilmah. Today I'm using something that I love so much, which is chamomile tea. Everyone thinks chamomile tea go to sleep. What I think is chicken and chamomile tea go so well together. So what I'm going to make is a chamomile salt. So just taking your bag and opening it up, you can pour this beautiful flowers into it. It's simply amazing. Look at that, just so beautiful. It's like they were picked off the tree. So now what we need to do is get some fried garlic. You can use dry fried garlic or fry it yourself. Add some in. Equal parts of sugar, salt, and then a little bit of black pepper and salt mixed together. Now this is going to be the dressing or the crust for the chicken. The garlic's going to go through it, and when you steam this, all the flavors of the chamomile will go straight into the chicken breast itself. So I have 2 chicken breasts here, and I'm just going to add my salt mixture onto it. And what you need to do is pat it onto it so that it's really well stuck on it, and then get a bowl where it can collect the juice. I have a steamer on the boil at the moment. I'm just putting the chicken breast in, sprinkling a little bit more of the salt on top, and then putting it into the steamer. What will happen is all the juices from the chicken will be reserved in this bowl. It takes about 12 to 15 minutes to do, so in the meantime we can prepare for the salad. Alright, so I'll move all this stuff away, and I'm going to make a dressing. A very simple dressing, just a balsamic dressing. So olive oil, 2 parts oil, 1 part vinegar, that's the rule. And just a little bit of salt and pepper. There's so much flavor everywhere else that you don't really need to do anymore. We'll stir that around, and just before I add it, I'll give it another stir. But the important thing with a vinaigrette is to make sure it's nicely emulsified. Now the salad. In my salad bowl, I'm going to place some beautifully blanched green beans, and then just cut them on a diagonal. Tomatoes, nice ripe cherry tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes are great because you get all these different colors. And the colors are part of this. I've got some fiddlehead ferns. They're very small, but I'm just using the tip of the fern. So just chopping them in. They've also been blanched for a few seconds in water. You can see that, it's just beautiful the way the fern leaf just curls around, and that's so juicy and tasty. And then lastly, some rocket. Now the chicken's been going for about 12 or 15 minutes, so we'll remove it and see what it's like. So let's see what the chicken looks like. When you remove a lid from a steamer, be really careful, open it away from yourself. So there's the chicken. You can see that now there's juice inside it. It's nicely cooked and all the flavors have gotten into it. Now I can dress my salad. So with the dressing, just stirring it again. Dress it, give it a little toss, and then I can cut the chicken. So this juice that's reserved now, we can actually add that into the sauce as well. But with the chicken, we'll just cut it on a nice angle. The flavor's gone through it. One breast per serve is more than enough. And then just a lovely salad on the side. A little bit of dressing, some of the chamomile juice, and finish it off with some onions. Now don't tell me you can't cook with tea at home. This is such a simple recipe, it's healthy, it's delicious, and using Dilmah tea, you can do anything. So enjoy this one, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next month.